I'm equally delighted to see the opening of this new office, which will add on to provide more efficient, customer-friendly and easily accessible services to LTA's valuable customers, the people of Fiji. This flagship office, ladies and gentlemen, comes at a time when there is an increased demand for LTA services, as the public continues to invest in the transport sector, for which they require fast, efficient and easy access to LTA services. It's good also to note that yesterday we also had the opening of the bridges, which should also ease the transport difficulties that we'll be having in Suva in particular. In addition, Suva-based customers will also now not have to travel far. Instead, they can access express LTA services at the new Suva Express Office. On an average, the Valelevu office of LTA serves more than 300 customers per day. So LTA services in the heart of the city makes things so much easier for the public. The new office is a proactive initiative of the Fijian government to uplift and standardize LTA's customer service facilities and delivery across Fiji. We are doing this for the benefit of the Fijian people. This new office will be led by a branch manager with 5 customer services officers who will provide a number of services. The Suva LTA Express Office will be operational from Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays. The LTA services at this office will include payment of vehicle inspection fees, vehicle registration fees, this is wheel tax for post-inspected vehicles, driver license renewal, payment of TINs or the fine, search records, fee payment, booking and result queries for defensive driving course, and one of the services will include the Accident Compensation Commission Fiji or ACCF, motor vehicle accident levy collection, where the LTA becomes the only authorized agent to collect this levy for ACCF. On this note, I would like to bring to your attention that the new motor vehicle levy collection, which was previously known as the compulsory third-party insurance. This levy is what is paid as premium for being covered by the compensation scheme administered by the ACCF. The Land Transport Authority will collect the levies in line with its existing vehicle registration process. This levy is cheaper than the previous compulsory third-party fees. LTA currently has 20 offices nationwide, and in order to make its services more accessible and visible to members of the public, plans are in the pipeline for LTA to establish more offices, as has been mentioned by the chairman. The LTA will be refurbishing its office in Nadi, and it will soon after begin its full-fledged operations. Apart from this, Lautoka City will also have a LTA Express office soon. It gives me great pleasure to see that the LTA is steering in a new era for good governance, work standardization, and increased professionalism, which is enhancing the quality of LTA's delivery of customer services. This must be maintained and it must be enhanced. Over the years, there have been complaints about the LTA and its processes. I understand that the LTA board and the executive management, without any delay, applied immediate plans to change and strengthen its service delivery through changes in regulations, policies, and procedures. So congratulations to the board and management for doing that, and we hope that you continue to do this, to continue to enhance the services that are provided to the citizens of this country. LTA board is determined to address the gaps that possibly were exploited by either our employees or customers in the past. This must be continually enhanced and improved upon to stop those gaps, to make sure that things are done in a transparent manner. There have been several changes to LTA to ensure transparency and accountability. One such example is the amendment in the Land Transport Public Service Vehicle Regulations, whereby the process of acquiring new taxi permits has been explained. In the interest of more transparency, LTA will call for the applications of the new taxi permits, and these will be reviewed by 5 individuals forming an independent selection committee. Once the successful applicants are selected by the independent committee, only then will their applications be put in the barrel for the draw to establish the new taxi permit holders. LTA has already announced the transport zones in the Fijian last Saturday and will soon call for the applications of the new taxi permits. To members of the public, if you have any queries on LTA services, do go and inquire at the LTA offices so that their staff can give you the clarification you need. LTA is here to serve you. That is their role. In ending this, I look forward to this office providing those in Suva City accessibility to LTA services. I also wish the Land Transport Authority very well in its endeavors for this new year. May you continue to progress in striving towards achieving LTA's vision to excel in providing fully accessible and resourceful services to its customers daily. With these new words, I now officially declare the LTA Suva Express Office open here at the FNPF Plaza today.
Thank you. Bring the tin president. The tins. I find out. Is this 5 stuff?